Hello trippers, I've been staying at the IPV Hotel Palace and Spa. I've made this video tour so you can see what it's like to be a guest here. Regular viewers will know the drill: room tour, swimming pools, food, entertainment. It's somewhat palatial here. I'm really looking forward to this video. Let's go. Kicking it off with a walk through the entrance, reception and communal areas. Hotel IPV Palace and Spa is a 4-star beachfront property in Fuengirola. My initial impressions were that everything just looked really nice, quality, traditional. Little touches like this made it felt like it was a museum. This is called the piano bar, and there's seating, a piano and a bar. Leading onto a balcony which takes advantage of the sea views. Even stuff like the stairs are just really decorative and posh looking. There was a wedding the day I checked in, and you can see why. This would be a great venue. To the left is where they do the food, and you'll see more of that in the video later. Before showing you the swimming pool area, it's room tour. So this is a double room, it's 32 square meters. Let's show you around. Into the bathroom, pretty big mirror, flex, and you have a pretty big shower, towels, all very nice tiling. And you know I love to knock a surface, stone, oozes quality. Toilet and the bidet. Into the main room, full length mirror and a nice large bed, wardrobes, there's safe in there, charging port on each side of the bed. You've got a fridge, phone to call reception, television but it's not smart. A nice little seating area. It is spacious in here, it is lovely. And let's look at the balcony. Beautiful, lovely sea views, pool view and sea view. You've got 2 chairs and a table and a rack to dry your clothes. Okay, it's giveaway time. Win flights to Malaga and 4 stays at this IPV hotel and spa. All you have to do is guess where Kiz is hiding. Is he crouching under the bed? Behind the desk? Or is he on the balcony? Select right and comment and you could win a holiday for 2 for 4 nights at the Hotel IPV Palace and Spa. Get your entries in and the reveal is coming now. Yeah, sorry guys, I guess you guessed wrong. There is no giveaway, but this is the opportunity to ask. Please subscribe. I'm really trying to get 1,000 subscribers. So if you do, each and every one of you matters. And maybe one day, with more subscribers, we might actually do a giveaway. So please subscribe. Thank you. Walk around the outside bar and swimming pools. I tour around the outside areas which lead onto the beach. During the stay I noticed there was security walking about which made me and my things feel safe. The poolside settings with the sea views and the palm trees made it really relaxing. I got up at sunrise to film this, pure dedication. The hotel's located in Fuengirola, but it's about a 15 to 20 minute walk along the promenade to the centre of town, which made this location a bit quieter, which I preferred. The next segment is entertainment, and there's an incredibly embarrassing clip of me at the end of that, which you will definitely want to watch. That container up ahead is a snack and drink bar during the day. A quick glimpse of the beach. Surprise facility alert, the place has a paddle court. I didn't know it was there when booking. I know paddle's big, some people will really love this. Beautiful sunrise. There's quite a lot of sun lounges and I didn't see any sunbed wars, but I can't promise that when you come. The hotel is adults recommended, but children are welcome. This is the children's pool. You can see it's 40 centimeters depth. One can access the beach from behind the lifeguard's kiosk. Just open the door and straight onto the promenade and onto the beach. Really lovely beach in my opinion. I really enjoyed the location. I've sped up this sequence as fast as I can, while still giving you an idea of how everything looks. Everything just looks classy. Ahead with the white roof, the seats and the stage is where they do the evening entertainment. This area is called the Sohal Beach Club, which is essentially the pool bar and restaurant. As it's sunrise, the bar wasn't open, but this is what it looks like when it is open. A nice shaded area for drinks with more chairs and sun lounges. Entertainment. Starting off the day strong with the water aerobics, and the lady doing the class and doing the entertainment, she's a star, such a great member of staff. That's me at the front there. During the daytime there's a range of activities such as this, darts, throwing the beanbag games, and dancing also. You guys are in for a treat with the clip that I should have definitely left out at the end of this segment. They had a game which was about drinking cocktails really fast, which is madness, but it's holiday. On to the night entertainment, and they had an array of shows which were really good. Cheeky. As promised, the clip that I definitely should have left out. And to finish off, you had to touch the bottle with your ass. What you been waiting for? Food. This is what the buffet hall looks like. Lots of seating and also outside seats. I did clock the breakfast carver, but I'm definitely not rowdy enough to actually take one. The breakfast selection was all good, very decent, and the difference maker with a buffet breakfast is the omelette station, and they had one, so no complaints here. Tiny cup of tea, but that's the same in every hotel I've been to. Absolutely no idea what I'm doing here. I had a breakfast booking, so I didn't use the buffet restaurant for the dinners. I can only presume it'll be pretty decent to the standard as the rest of the hotel. Every breakfast gets washed down with 2 slices of watermelon as per usual. I did eat at the restaurant beach bar, Sohal Beach Club, and the food was pretty decent to be honest, and really taking in those sea views as well. Lovely paella, lovely chicken, no complaints. Gym and spa. A quick walk around the gym so you can see what you're working with. And my verdict is it's pretty decent. There's a good haul of equipment including TRX, cardio machines, and posters with silly slogans like "Sweat now, shine later." But seriously, there's a good selection of equipment here including lat pull downs, leg extensions, a frame, benches, free weights, all of the good stuff. If I remember right, these dumbbells go up to 30 kilos. For legs. Briskly moving on to the spa, Now naturally the spa is a place that I couldn't film. If you're a guest at the hotel, it will cost you €12 to enter, and if you're not, that's 15. Treatments such as massages and facials are available to book. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this informative. Feel free to subscribe or watch another hotel video tour. I love making these for you.